Yes, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode. In today's episode, well, I'm gonna unbox this VGR right here. This is the VGR with the model number V195. Yeah, I unboxed something similar. I think it's the same thing. It was Miyoko. It was Miyoko, and that's a long time ago. But they have a little bit something different up here, something like that, but it's the same thing. So this is VGR with the model number V195, metal housing. I guess the back is the metal, and stainless steel blade with DLC coating, and got 9,000 RPMs, BLDC motor, brushless motor. Okay, and what else? 3,000 milliamp battery, which is good. Got 8 guide combs, 3 hours charging time, and 250 minutes operating time, which is good. It's the same thing like Miyoko. So now let's open it and see what they got for us inside. The box just like this. Okay, you can open it. It's not inside, I guess it's somewhere there. And oh, it's a long manual, I guess. Okay, I guess the manual. So something, I don't know. Comes with 8 guide combs, which is good. This is the smallest one, 0.5. The half guard. Yeah, this is it. And brush, this one is good. Charging cable, and it's a USB-C, as you can see. So nothing else inside. Put everything back. Okay, now this is the hair clipper. Okay, looks good. And the back side here, that's the metal, and here's the plastic. It's one of the best hair clipper on AliExpress. So I got 3 best hair clippers now. So maybe soon I'm gonna make my top 5 AliExpress best hair clipper soon. So stay tuned. And got clicking lever. First, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicks, which is good. Comes with a fade blade, okay, and a thin cutter blade, which is good, as you can see. Yo, and LCD display right here. Okay, and this thing I like, which is good. And the grooves at the back, as you can see. Not bad, huh? Sound check. It sounds really good, and it cuts really good. The blade is not bad. It's not a bad blade. The cutter blade, it's good. And if you don't like the steel blade, you can change it. So this hair clipper is a really good hair clipper, I have to say. And that's it for the unboxing of this VGR. So peace, man. All right.